Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Summers are here and so is the heat and humidity. If you're an oily skinned person, you might be struggling to keep your makeup intact, and I get you because I'm an oily skinned person as well. So in today's video, we are going to see how I do my makeup to sustain the heat that is there for the summers and to keep my makeup intact and not blush throughout the day. So let's go ahead. So starting with a clean canvas, it's super important to prep your skin with a great lightweight moisturizer or a sunscreen. These days I generally skip moisturizer and straight away go with a very lightweight water-based sunscreen, which is the Fair Beauty SPF juice. I take a generous amount, put it on my skin and really massage it well into my skin until it soaks really well into the layers of the skin, and I'm just gonna let it be there, let it do its thing while I do the other steps. Like I'm just hydrating my lips here using the K Beauty lip oil, which is gonna really nourish the lips, and then I'm gonna move on to primer after a couple of minutes. And my favorite is the ELF Power Grip Primer, the OG one, which really helps in adhering the makeup to your skin. So I'm applying a good amount of the primer all over my face and blending it out using my fingertips, and this has such great tackiness that everything that you put on top just sticks to your skin and nothing budges throughout the day. It is impressive. As you can see, I'm just putting my finger here and it gives such a nice tack. For foundation, my go-to is the Clinique Even Better Serum Tint Foundation, which really remains so put on my skin, and the shade is perfect. It's super duper matte, so I would recommend this product only for combination to oily skin types. But a great alternative would be the Nykaa matte foundation that I showed in the video. And I'm just taking little amount of the foundation and tapping it really gently wherever I have pigmentation. I'm just focusing the foundation more and first, and then whatever is left I'm just going throughout the perimeters of my face and keeping the layer pretty light. And then for concealer, I'm using the Mars Cosmetics Cancel Concealer, my favorite affordable concealer and my go-to. This is the shade 7. I'm just using a very tiny amount of the concealer because this one is a bit thick, and a little goes a long way and is very long wearing on my oily skin. So I'm just using that to sort of cover up my dark circles on the under eyes as well as the top of my eyelids. And then once I'm blended with the concealer, I'm taking the foundation brush once again to sheer it out and make things look super even and not any sort of demarcation between the concealer and the foundation. And before powdering my face, I'm using my recent favorite, the L'Oreal 3 Second Setting Mist, and just spraying a generous amount of it and letting it dry. And meanwhile, I'm just gonna set my eyebrows in place. This is the PAC Quick Fix Brow Gel. So I'm just brushing the comb in the opposite direction of the eyebrows, and then I'm gonna comb it in the actual direction of my eyebrows. So that's gonna really make your eyebrows stick in place and not move with any sweat or heat. For powder, my absolute go-to and my favorite for my oily skin to keep my makeup intact is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD loose powder in the shade Golden Beige. Removing any creases before applying the powder, working the powder onto the sponge on my palm to make sure that everything is even, and then applying it on the under eyes. That way the powder application is super even, light, and it's just gonna make your liquid products lock into your skin so well. And then I'm gonna also powder down my smile lines and the center of my forehead and the T-zone where I tend to oil up the most. And for the rest of the face, I'm taking this ginormous fluffy powder brush and dip my powder brush into the loose powder and just swirl the powder and press it into the skin elsewhere, and also dust off the excessive loose powder. And I'm just finishing up my eye makeup here by adding some mascara. You can do whatever eye makeup that you like. These days I only do my mascara and that's it for my eye makeup. To bronze up the skin, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade NW48, which is such a gorgeous natural looking bronzer color for my skin tone. So I'm just applying very tiny amounts of it to the perimeters of my face and little bit on the cheekbones to make it look more bronzed and contour, and just pinching the brush to apply it on the sides of the nose just to slightly contour and chisel my nose as well. Then for blusher, I'm using my current favorite Tipsy Beauty powder blush. This is the Fantastic pH Adjusting Blush in the shade Lychee Lolly, which is such a stunning peachy pink shade, so I'm just applying that on my cheeks, and this is so blurring on the skin that my skin looks so filtered in real life. I absolutely love it, and it's pretty long wearing and literally goes with any makeup look that I do. For lips, I'm using my OG favorite. This is the Swiss Beauty dark chocolate lip liner. You can do whatever lips that you like, matte or glossy. It totally depends upon the preference, but since we are gonna do a smudge proof makeup look today, I'm just gonna use a matte transfer proof tint. This is the Mars Cosmetics matte lip tint. So the first shade is a dark brown shade, and the lighter shade is a beautiful peachy pink shade, which I'm applying to the center and a nice ombre effect on the lip. And once again, I'm gonna lock down my makeup using the L'Oreal 3 second setting mist to finish off my makeup and to make it really transfer proof and smudge proof for the summers. That setting spray is incredible, especially if you have an oily skin type and want to make your makeup smudge proof and long wearing. This is so good. It's a dupe for the One Size Beauty setting spray. So that's the finished look. I kept it super clean and simple, wearable for the summer. You can obviously go ahead and modify the look as per your liking, but this is what I have been doing all this summer, and my makeup has been staying pretty intact. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it useful and helpful. All the products that I mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description box as usual. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.